It's an unlikely journey that may end with a crown.
Kelly Krifko.
23-year-old Kelly Krifko wants to be the next Miss America. At 5'4" and 128 pounds, the curvy and current Miss South Texas is working hard to maintain her svelte and sexy body. She works out hard and she eats right. She has to, because next month is the Miss Texas pageant. And if she wins that, she moves on to Miss America in the fall.
I don't think anyone is as surprised as I am to be on this journey.
And it's an unlikely journey, because if you met Kelly when she was in 8th grade, you probably would not have thought future Miss America.
At my heaviest, I was around 230 pounds.
That's right. At just 14 years old, Kelly was obese, tipping the scales at nearly twice her current weight.
These are my old jeans. They're a size 24, and now I'm a size 4. You can actually fit 2 of me in here.
Kelly says she vowed to turn her life around the day she took a phys ed test in middle school. She could barely run or do a sit-up.
I went into the locker room and then I overheard some girls saying, "Can you believe the fat girl couldn't do any of it?" I know how it feels to sit by yourself at lunch. I know how it feels to not be asked to the school dance. I know those emotions of having people call you mean names.
The only name Kelly wants to be called now is Miss America.